part of the WHO World Antimicrobial Awareness Program and Week, we at Nair Hospital Infection Control Committee, under the able guidance of our Dean Sir, Dr. R.N. Bharmal, our HOD, Dr. Jayanti Shastri, along with our infection control nurses, our faculty from microbiology, resident doctors from the Department of Microbiology, and enthusiastic undergraduate students are celebrating this week through a program planned today. This program is going to be spread awareness on the various aspects of antimicrobial resistance and how we can prevent it. And this program is going to be open to all healthcare workers at our hospital and also the public, because the public will play a great role also in reducing and the transmission and prevention of antimicrobial resistance. The theme of this year is Spread Awareness, Stop Resistance. We welcome you all to this program. Please join us in large numbers and make it a success.
Therefore, it is very important to know that for viral diseases like the influenza, coronavirus infection, diarrhea, no antibiotics are required or should be prescribed. Here we have one of the common ideas is, why should I wait for a diagnosis and not start in such a scenario? And normally, since we don't prescribe antibiotics for viral infections, we can prevent infections by ensuring that the hands, instruments and environment are clean. So right now, since we are celebrating this week, we would like to thank our cleaning team. Without their dedicated attention to every surface, resistant infections would spread. Packed properly, and then it is to be put in the cardboard box. Metallic solid declines are also put in the blue box. In white, transparent puncture press rod syringes are put, and the needles in syringes cannot be. And our ICNs, we have planned this program for our undergraduate students. We will be explaining the nuances to the public and all the healthcare workers. Yes.
Red is also recyclable.
Red is plastic recyclable waste, infectious waste.
So this is glass and metal.
Glass and metallic implants.
So good morning everyone. We are here on the occasion of Microbiology Week, and we are presenting a skit on how the microbial resistance developed to his patient. And this is Vishal, his patient's brother. So let us start. अरे पागल हो गई क्या जानती पूरी आधे महीने की सैलरी उसी में चले जाएगी तो कौन कर रहे हो अरे इधर बेटा वो तो पास के इन्वेस्टर सबसे बोल ले gets worsened. And after the condition gets worsened, they get admitted to a hospital. And the next is from the hospital.
Effective communication from the doctor to the patient is very important. Okay, and in the new CGME curriculum, there are exercises in pharmacology how to effectively communicate whenever you prescribe any drug. It may be an antibiotic or any drug, especially in antibiotic like tuberculosis, typhoid. You have to instruct the patient to take the right dose, right duration.
A clinical doctor will be able to prescribe correctly. So this awareness has to go to the general public, which we are trying to do. Thank you.
The team who has organized this.
So I congratulate all of you and also compliment Department of Microbiology under whose leadership this program is being held.
Proper use of antibiotics.
These are the soil organic matter. That means the organisms may be in them.